If you want to set a pin to add epic friends in epic games, you're in the right place. In this video, I'll walk you through the exact steps to turn on this setting so you can control who can add friends on your account. This is especially useful for parents, shared devices, or anyone who wants a little extra account protection. And if this tutorial helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more quick gaming tutorials just like this. Alright, let's get into it. First, open Epic Games in your browser and make sure you're signed into the correct account. This part is important because the setting needs to be changed from the account that actually uses Epic Games. Once you're logged in, look for your profile menu, usually in the top right corner of the page. Click that profile icon to open the menu, then choose Account. Now, you'll be taken to your account settings. On this page, look for Parental Controls and click it. If you've never used parental controls before, Epic Games may ask you to enter or set a parental control code. Go ahead and type in the code when prompted, because this is what unlocks the settings you need to manage social permissions. After you've entered the code, scroll until you find social permissions. This is where Epic Games keeps settings related to friends, social features, and communication options. Inside this section, you should see an option that says Require PIN to add Epic Friends. Turn that toggle on. Once you enable it, Epic Games will require a PIN whenever someone tries to add a new Epic friend on the account. That means you get an extra layer of control, and it helps prevent unwanted friend requests or changes to the friend list. After toggling it on, your settings should be saved automatically. And that's it. You've successfully set a pin to add Epic friends in Epic Games. It only takes a minute, but it can make a big difference for account safety and control. If this video helped you out, please remember to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.